Hey, welcome back. So today we're doing an update on Redis 6. So we're doing it on Ubuntu 2004. We're adding a log folder, which I forgot last time. We're adding Redis time series, and we're also trying a little script that gets us the latest version of Redis instead of the one that was used while filming this, because last time we used 6.0.1 and there were some mistakes or some bugs in that version, and people come back to me and said this wasn't working for them. So this time we're going to try and get the latest, and the latest as of this filming was 6.2.5. so if the script doesn't work for you, then maybe just try and grab the latest one from the Redis download pages. But yeah, okay, sorry, before we start, one last thing. You'll see at the bottom right I put a little timer, so that means I can skip through the boring parts of the video, but you guys can still check out and see if we made our 25 minutes Pomodoro. Sorry, a little bit misspeak. Just spoiler, we're going to make our 25 minutes with lots of time to spare. So this is going to be quick. So just one last thing maybe also is that one of the things you'll see with the script, as I've tried to make it a little bit faster in the sense that it's not much more copy pasting or opening files. We're just writing all the configs to the file with one command instead of trying to open up with Vim. And okay, I think that's about all the preamble. Guys, let's get started. Let the countdown begin. So there we go. There's a counter. We're going to go from the script. Let's see, grab some Redis 6.2.5, goes through the rest. Next thing, create a user for Redis, a system user, create the folders for Redis, including the log folder, create some SSL certificates, add the Redis config, add ACL config, so we have our own users. Okay, making use of the ACL feature in Redis 6. We've got the systemd configs, we've got the Redis time series set up, we've got then the testing at the end. And we're going to skip from this part and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, cool. We are back. So let's go. So we're up here again. So we're going to create the user. We're going to create the folders, including the log folder. We're going to create the SSL setup. It's going to maybe take a little bit. So I just left a little note for production. You might want to make that 496, but for now, for what we're trying to do here and demonstrating the way or the commands that we use, 1248 would be fine. Okay, so we got Redis config file, we got the ACL file now, file. Okay, systemd files. We're going to start up Redis now, see if it works. So cool, it's working. Okay, and now for Redis time series, and this was also going to take a while, so we are going to skip. Oh yeah, cool. We're back. Okay, so let's. Yeah, cool. It's restarted, still running. We're going to do a little test login now. So what this does, it goes to the user ACL file. It tries to get the password for the root user, just puts it in an environment variable, and then we run Redis CLI. And what it does in the background, what this Redis CLI does in the background, it goes and looks at that environment variable and goes, okay, well, that's the password, so we will use that to log in. Okay, well, let's test it now. Okay, cool. So we get an oak, which means commands exist, which means Redis time series was installed, and one last command. So there we go, guys. It's done. We're done, and we're done in about what, 5 minutes. And I hope this helps. If you liked it, like it. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.